Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make lo-fi songs without copyright. So all you have to do, open your browser, mobile browser I'm using it. Just go to the pixabay.com. So this is the stunning royalty free image and the royalty free stock. So you can search music here. For example, city pop music. So you can search it. Here the list, city pop, no copyright music. So you can download one of the music, for example here, this one, Japan. So downloading file, and let's get back. And also you can use, or you can search the image in here, all image, anything, for example lo-fi. Here you can download here, for example this one, download. You can set your resolution. So downloading file. Next step, you can go to the audioalter.com to edit your audio, your music you download before to become a lo-fi one. You try to search the 8D audio. Is an effect that you can apply to your song to make it sound like the audio is moving in circle around your head. So you can browse and drop the file here. So after you done the music is done, convert into the 8D audio. You can use CapCut to combine the image and the audio by tap on new project. Here the image that we already download from Pixabay, and you can tap audio here. You can add audio here, tap sound and search from the files. Here you can add. So you can adjust the image until the music is finished or done. So it's about 3.5 hours. So I assume you done it, and after that maybe you want to add some effect in here or add text. It's very easy, just type on the blank space, add text here. For example, lo-fi, chill, done. And also you can add animation or the video effects. For example, you can add effects, video effects, and try to search a lo-fi. Here, for example, like this, and I think it's done. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.